Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to start investing in the stock market. Firstly, decide why you want to invest: retirement, buying a home, wealth building, etc. And define your time horizon. Access your risk tolerance, how much market ups and downs can you handle, and long-term investors often accept more risk for higher potential returns. You need a brokerage to buy and sell stocks, like an online stock bank. Type of brokers: there are full-service brokers like More Advice, higher fees. Discount brokers, self-directed, low fees, which is most common. And robo-advisors, automating investing, hands-off approach. Pick one that fits your needs and offers good tools for educational resources. Now link your bank account to your brokerage. Transfer money to your brokerage account to start buying stocks. And decide if you want a cash account or margin account, which is borrow money to invest, riskier and advanced. You need to learn about companies by reading financial reports from 10K or using your broker's research tools. Two main analysis methods are fundamental analysis, which is study company finances, value and health, and technical analysis, which is study price trends and market behavior. Then consider tax implications, especially dividend stocks. And remember, long-term and diversified investing is often recommended. You need now to understand order types: market order, which are buy immediately at the current price, or limit order, which is buy only at or below a specific price. Enter the stock ticket symbol, choose the number of shares, select order type, and submit your order. Your portfolio updates once the order completes. Finally, monitor and review. Check your portfolio periodically. Compare performance to market benchmarks like the S&P 500 and adjust your portfolio based on your goals and market conditions. If picking individual stocks is tough, consider investing in index funds or ETFs. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.